See the next question. The next question is saying that write a program to check if a string contains all unique characters. Okay, let's go to the whiteboard first. Okay, so here if you will check, this is a word, and if you check in this word, you have to check whether this word is having all the characters unique. So see, we are having here, we are having O, but we are having the O here as well. That means this is not a unique, right? So any double also no, O is the only word that's coming two times. That means this is not a unique, right? Now if you check this vowels, VOWELS, that means all the characters are different here. No character is repeating twice. So that means this is a unique word. Getting this point? So this is the thing that we have to do here now. So it's the same thing we'll be doing here. Let's say here, what we'll be doing. Okay, let's write a program here now. So what I'll be doing is I'll be doing something like this. Let's take a word from the users. I will say word equal to input. The logic is same that you have used in the previous questions. If anyone wants to access them, just open the playlist and you can find them. Playlist is by the name, by Python 2025. I will say enter the word here and the user will be entering the word, right? So after that, I'll be having here result. No, not result. Let's take, we are having the checker. Yeah, checker, right? And I'm saying checker is equal to nothing. I'm not keeping anything here. And here what I'm saying is I will say if uh, for loop, because we have to travel over the word. I will say for, let's say character chr in word, right? So we'll be traveling over the word, and here we'll be checking if this if chr not in, if this character is not present in this checker, what should we do? We should, yes, we should add it here, we should add it here. So what I will say is I will say checker plus equal to chr, right? Else, if the word is already present here in the checker, right? So at the time what should we doing is we should stop here and we should say that this word is not a unique word, right? So else what I will do is I'll say print the word, the word is not unique, right? The word is not unique, right? That's what we should say. Okay, if, okay, so what should we do here? Any other thing? Okay, let's check it. Let's check it first. Let me run it and let me give the word, what word I should give here? Comparison, right? So now we know comparison is not a unique word, right? So it's saying the word is not unique, right? Let me execute it once again. Let me give some unique word. Python is unique, I guess. Okay, so then it's not me saying me whether the Python is unique or not, right? So what I'll be doing here is I'll be keeping here one this thing. mm, okay, so we can keep here one flag. We can keep here one flag. Let's say initially I'm keeping the flag value as 0. I'm keeping the flag equal to 0, right? So if the word is coming twice, so I'll be changing the value of the flag to 1, right? And I'll be breaking it. There is something called as a break statement. Break statement is nothing, it is breaking this for loop, right? So that means if this for loop, let's say there is a program, right? So it's saying PROGR. Now here the duplication came, that means r is already present, this r is coming again. That means what you'll be doing is you'll be not checking the other things. So you are breaking the for loop here. That means you'll be not checking the other things and यहाँ पे break हो जाएगा, आप यहाँ for loop से बाहर आ जाओगे, right? There is a one break statement. If you know, if you don't know, just search it on Google and see what break statement is, what is continuous statement, right? So that what I'm saying is if you are having a program here, when you are traveling one by one over this program, so obviously you have to go till m, right? But once you are traveling and you receive it here this r, now you are checking in your checker like this r is present here or not, right? If this r is present here already, so that means you are got the duplicate values. Once you got the duplicate values, do you need to check the rest of the things? No, you are there is no necessity of checking the rest of the things. Now we know it's not a unique word. Getting this point, right? So that's what we are doing here is break statement, all right? So here after that I will check if we can also say like this. We can say like this here, flag को one करके I will say here uh, print the word is not unique, right? This I can say here. But if if the word is unique, then we can say something like this: if flag is still zero, agar flag is still zero hai, then what we can say is, we can say the word is unique. I'll copy it from here, and here I'll say print this. I'll say the word is unique, right? Let me execute it first, then I will explain this code, what is happening here, right? Let me run it, and let's say I'm giving here program, right? And it is saying the word is not unique because p is already present, sorry, r is coming twice here, right? So let me explain it again here with a blackboard. Okay, one more thing will come here. The thing is like this: if I will say what should I say? I will say p r o p e r. Proper. Is proper a unique word? Okay, it will come. Let's say there is no r. I'm saying p r o p e is there, right? Is it a unique word? No, it's not a unique word because p is coming twice here, right? So if I will run it, it is saying that it is a unique word. The reason is happening like this: when you are keeping this p in a checker, this capital P and this small p is two different things, right? So what should we do? Nothing. Just convert everything into the lowercase. That means the capital letters will be also converted in the lowercase, right? Now if I'm executing it, same thing I'll give here now: p capital P r o small p e, right? Now it is saying the word is not unique. Okay, we have resolved that issue as well here. Okay, now let's understand this code. Let's dry run it and understand it. Let me write it on the whiteboard first, then we will see what is happening. Okay, this is the code, and the same code I have reflected here, right? So initially what you are doing is you are receiving the word from the user. Let's say I'm saying here word, and the receiver that is giving me this, she is giving me something like this: p capital P O P E, poppy, right? Something like this, POPE, right? So here after that what we are doing is, whenever we are receiving this input, what we are doing is we are converting it to the lowercase, right? So that means this p will be converted to the small case, so it will be something like this: P O P E, right? So now you are not having this word, but you are having this as a word. Why? You are converting to the lowercase, right? Then you are creating one here checker. Let's say I'm creating here a one memory location by the name checker. This is the name of the checker, right? Initially it is empty because nothing is present here, and you are creating one flag, and you are saying that this flag is 0, right? This flag is 0. Why we are creating flag here? It will be clear after some times. Okay, you are saying here for char in word. Now you know you are iterating over this poppy, right? So initially in the initial condition, what will be the char here? So char will be equal to p, small p, right? Now you are checking here, this is done. You are checking here if char not in checker. क्या ये कैर के अंदर क्या है? p. क्या ये p checker के अंदर है? क्या checker में p present है? What you are using here? Membership function. in is a membership function. आप चेक कर रहे हो क्या p checker में है नहीं है? The condition is true. What you are doing is checker plus equal to chr. That means this p you are adding to this checker. If you don't know, you have to visit to the previous lectures, then you can understand what we are doing here, right? So once you are done, so where you will go? Will you go to the else part? No. So from here you will be going back to this for loop, right? In a second iteration, if it's saying for chr in word, so now your chr will be, previously it was p, now it is o, right? This is done. Now it is o, right? So again you will come o, you will check, is this o present in checker? O is present in checker? No, O is not present in checker. So what you'll be doing is checker plus equal to chr. Whatever is present in the chr, add it to the checker. That means O here will be having the O, right? In a third iteration, what will happen? Third iteration, you are again coming here back, right? Now previously chr had O, now chr will have this p, right? Chr will hit the this p, small p now again, right? What you are saying is if chr not in checker, is this p present in checker? Yes, p is already present in checker, right? P is already present in checker. So will you go inside if? No. So where you will go? You will do the else part. In else part, what you are saying? Flag equal to 1. That means first thing you are changing is flag value. flag becomes now 1, and you are saying that print not unique, so you got not unique as the output, right? Because it is not unique, because p is coming duplicate 2 times, right? After that, what you are doing, break. Since we are having this e as well here, we have not checked this e yet, right? We have not checked this e yet, because if this from here only I can see that this word is not unique, that means there is no need to check other characters, right? So I am breaking from this for loop, that means I'm coming out of this for loop, right? Once I'm coming out of this for loop, and here what I am checking is, if flag is equal to 0, क्या flag 0 के बराबर है? नहीं है, right? So what you'll be doing here is, just the output you'll be getting is not unique, right? So when this will be executed, let's take an example. I'm having another word, that is POE. Is this a unique word? Yes. So what we'll be having is, again we'll be running this program. Let's say again from the start I am running this program. So initially you are receiving the word, let's say this is the word POE you received from here, right? So you are creating the checker again, that means one block will be created for the checker, CHACKER. After that I'm saying flag equal 0, that means one block will memory block will be created, flag, and it will have a 0, and this will have nothing in it. Now you are saying for CHR in word, so you will go to this word, get the first character, that means CHR will have here P, right? Now you are checking, is this P in a checker? this P not in a checker, क्या P not checker में है? नहीं, P not checker में नहीं है, तो आप क्या करोगे, checker plus CHR, that means here you will be getting the P. Getting this point? So from here you will be going back to here, and in a second iteration CHR in a word, now this CHR will have O. Previously it had P, now you will be having O in it. Now again you will be checking, if O not in checker, क्या O checker में है? नहीं, नहीं है, तो आप क्या करोगे, ऐड करोगे उसके, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, O, right? So from here again you will be going back to here, right? In the third iteration what you will be getting is E, that means this CHR will have now E. Now you are checking, if CHR, that's E, not in checker, क्या E not checker में है? नहीं है, right? So what you will be doing is, you will be adding here E. Getting this point? Now in the fourth iteration you will be again coming here, is there any character present here? No character is present here, so what you will be doing is, you will be going from here, you will be going directly to this line number 11, right? And line number 11 is saying that if flag is equal to 0, क्या flag still 0? हाँ, flag still 0 है, तो आप क्या करोगे, print unique, that means here you will be getting the unique. Now you'll be saying सर यहाँ पे ज़रूरत क्या है, इसको यहाँ पे लगा दो, तो क्या होगा, जैसे ही P आया तो it will print unique, right? Let me show you that. If someone is thinking like this, sir, why you are keeping it here? Let me keep it here like this. Let me comment these lines, right? And here I'll be taking this Control C, and here I'll be keeping this Control V, right? That means if I am giving something like this, POE I am giving, right? So what is saying, the word is unique, the word is unique, the word is unique, right? But if I am doing something like this, POPER, right? So it is saying the word is unique, the word is unique, the word is not unique. That means when you are taking the first character P, if it's checking, adding it to the checker, then seeing this word, right? That's why it is wrong. Okay, that means this should not be here. Okay, now someone will say don't keep it in the if and else, keep it outside if and else. So I will keep it here now. See what will happen now again. If I am saying POPE proper, so it is saying the word is unique, the word is unique, the word is not unique. So what is happening here is, when it is completing this if statement, after the if statement, will it go to the else part? No, but it will go here to this P, because this is coming in the direction of this P itself. That means after completing the operation here, it will not go to the else part, and it will directly jump here. That's why it is saying the word is unique, which is not unique, because the word is something else, because the word is proper, it is not a unique keyword. And that's the only reason I'm keeping here flag. We are checking that if the flag is still 0, if the flag is still 0, that means no duplication had came, right? Here I am assuming like this, you can understand it like this. Here I am assuming the word is unique, right? If it is 0, that means it's unique. But here one is this flag value is being changed, now it is not remaining the unique word. That's the only reason I am doing something like this. Maybe there is just some other solution present over here as well, so you can check it by yourself. Thank you.